what you can manage with a 5 doesn't need to be a 6. And so we have also here made it a little bit less complex by adding a 7mm short size, but taking away the 6mm diameter, which the market didn't want so much. We have the Promote surface, proven surface. It looks a little bit different if you look in this direction. That you see we have a sandblasted area. On the edges you will find acid etched nearly onto the top, and of course the sealing area on top of the implant is a machined one. And to give you a short impression how it looks, you see here the outer shape, acid jet sandblasted, the acid etched, and of course the machined surface. The inner connection, which you can see here, is also based on the 3 notches, 3-cam principle. It's a self-locking cone, the characteristic Camlock cam and groove design, and we have the integrated platform, so where we have extended the Camlock range with the PS abutments. We have not to do that here, it's already integrated into this abutment implant connection. Short inner connection makes it possible to do here a 7mm implant. And to give you a short overview about the product range, it's in total over 140 articles which are here present at the IDS. You have the pressure posts and the heating abutments with one specialty. If you look at the area, for all those components, they set flat in the beginning. That means that the conical or tapered area itself is only engaged with introduction of the original abutment. That means in the beginning, you see here, if you do a impression or if you put on the heating abutment, the cone isn't touched. So that really the conical area isn't damaged, isn't touched, isn't scratched until the final abutment will be put in place by the surgeon. And of course, we have impression post, open tray, closed tray. We have all types of gingiva foam or healing caps that the practitioner knows from the Camlock design, plus a couple of new products we didn't have before, like a new temporary abutment which used to be made by PEEK, and now we have it by titanium with prefabricated retentions, color-coded of course, and it can be customized. The abutment portfolio is like the Camlock, temporary abutments, universal abutments, telescopic ones, istomic, straight and angled, 15 and 20 degrees A and B type, istomic abutments, all plastic, and in preparation is the Vario SR, which we have recently introduced for the Camlock, and the bar abutments, locator abutments, and also the ball abutments. For disconnecting a conical system, we were thinking about type of clever mechanism. Then we have came up with the idea of this kind of instrument where we use an internal thread to disengage the cone from the implant, and once you separate it, you have here on top of this implant you have also the of this instrument the abutment secured against aspiration. So some clever instrument which makes it a little bit more easy and more helpful using it in practice. And we have 2 types of screw. It's a 1.6 for 3.3 to 4.3 diameter, and for the 5.0 we have a M2 screw for the abutments. And what we have done over the last 3 IDSs and the Congress, we had first a look on the implant design. We had cylinder line, screw cylinder line, root line, screw line. We have now eliminated the cylinder and the screw cylinder to slim the portfolio down to root line and the screw line, plus now the cone lock. We have worked on the surface. We had first Promote, then later on the Promote Plus, and now the new type of surface you've seen on the cone lock. The abutment assortment, we had the istomic added, we had a Vario SR added, and also guided surgery. We had the Camlock guide implemented. We have Gradion surgery tools and the CAD-CAM, which I come later on to the field. There is still some improvement. We have a titanium base for that. And of course, what is now very important for IDS, we have closed this gap strategically because the conical implant abutment connection. And the next goal is, of course, to go into the field of CAD/CAM and to solve the digital dentistry portfolio also on our side. What we offer today is a Camlog Guide, which is known to most of you. We have integrated currently into different 3D planning systems. That means that we cooperate with open system, that our data for our implants and abutment are present in those planning systems, that we are not strictly limited to one or two systems. We are compatible with an increasing number of 3D planning systems from different suppliers, so we deliver data to fit all the needs of our various clients, and we have product extensions and instrument optimization being developed, including also the Camlog Guide system, which will come up soon. Furthermore, we have implants in planning systems. The geometries, they fit currently into 5 3D planning systems, which are Orange Dental, Planmeca, Sortex, Implant, and also here, oh sorry, it was too short, also here to be working together with open systems and to open them up to a large number of various customers.